Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm your host, FD for Sage5.tv with yet another public crypto portfolio. And this update is for our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge. One of the two crypto public portfolios we put together throughout the bear market. And with the 15K to 600K portfolio, we've selected 6 ecosystems in Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, Cosmos ecosystem, Avalaunch, and we also have another category that we call mixed portfolio where anything goes to see if we can invest around $2,500 into each of these ecosystems, then combined, see if we can manage a portfolio worth $15,000 at cost all the way up to $600,000. That's the objective. At the moment, we are allocated just over 77%, so we still have some money left to invest, and we're waiting for those bull market projects that come and they deliver some great profits. That's what we're waiting for before we fully allocate. That said, guys, please know that I am not a financial advisor. If you do require financial advice, please approach someone who is actually trained to give you financial advice. The information contained in this video is just for educational as well as entertainment purposes. And this content is also not intended for the UK audiences for the sole reason that the UK authorities, they do deem anything crypto related to be extremely risky and they are trying to protect you. So guys, you're from the UK, I'm sorry, you cannot watch this video and probably any crypto related content. That's it, guys. Let's jump back to our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge update for this week. And we start with the Ethereum blockchain where we hold positions in VulcanForged, PerpetualProtocol, and AEVO, formerly Ribbon Finance. Starting with VulcanForged then, and the PYR token, this week it's priced at $2.74. Portfolio is now valued at $281.85. Week on week we are down slightly by 3.4%, and overall we are still down 22.4%. So VulcanForged still in the negative. We move on to PerpetualProtocol and the PEP token. This week it's priced at 70.9 cents, and portfolio is now valued at $708.78. And week on week we are up slightly by 2.8%. Overall, we are up 66.7%. Finally, for Ethereum, it's AEVO, formerly Ribbon Finance, and the AEVO token this week is priced at 32.7 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $363.66, and week on week we are up slightly by 1.3%. Overall, we are up 37.8%. So that means our Ethereum position within the 15K to 600K portfolio challenge is valued at $1,354.29 and is up on last week by 1 percentage point, and overall we are up 30.4%. We then move on to the Cardano blockchain where we hold positions in Cardano's native coin, which is ADA, World Mobile Tokens, WMTX token, now that it's a multi-chain token, Lenify, formerly ADA Finance, Sunday Swappy Sunday token, as well as Wing Riders WRT token. To kick us off for Cardano is the native coin, which is ADA, and this week at the time of recording is priced at $1.07. Portfolio is now valued at $1,284.73, and week on week we are up 19.3%. Overall, we are up 273.3%. World Mobile Tokens WMTX token is up next, and this week it's priced at 40.4 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $810.36, and week on week we are up 10.5%. Overall, we are up 209.4%. Lenify is up next. This week it's priced at $1.79, and portfolio is now valued at $2,165.93. Week on week we are up 4.2%, and overall we are up 224.5%. Sunday Swappy Sunday token is up next. This week it's priced at 1.3 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $1,420.77. And week on week we are up 14.8%. Overall, we are up 75.4%. Finally, for Cardano, we've got Wing Riders WRT token, which is this week priced at 3.8 cents. And portfolio is now valued at $410.23. And week on week we are up 18.8%. Overall, though, we are still down 14%. So that means our Cardano basket this week within the 15K to 600K portfolio challenge is valued at $6,092.02, and we are up on last week by 11.3%, which means overall we are now up 140.7%. So Cardano still standing strong there. We then move on to Dosama, which means Polkadot and Kusama combined, where we still hold those 4 positions in Bit.Country Pioneer, now called Mnet, and the NEAR token, RMRK.app and the RMRK token, Moonbeam Network and the Glimmer token, as well as Protocol and Kill token. And to kick us off for Dosama is Mnet's NEAR token, which is this week priced at 0.9 cents, and that portfolio is now valued at $7.45. Week on week we are up slightly by 3.7%, but overall we are getting closer to zero. It's sitting at minus 97%. Next is RMRK, which is this week priced at 25.2 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $94.22, and week on week we are up 8.6%. Overall we are down 87.4%. Moonbeam Network's Glimmer token is up next. This week it's priced at 21.6 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $434 $24.03, and week on week we are down 2.3%. Overall, we are now down 41.2%. Finally, for Dotsama, it's Killed Protocol and the Killed token, which is this week priced at 15.4 cents, and our portfolio is now valued at $161.96. And week on week we are down 7.1%. Overall, we are down 59.7%. So that means our Dotsama basket this week down at $697.66, and we are down on last week by 2.1%. Overall, we are now down 67%. So Dotsama is actually the worst performing basket within the 15K to 600K portfolio challenge. We then move on to the Cosmos ecosystem, where we hold positions in EVMOS, Injective, Osmosis, Persistence, and Axelar. And to kick us off for Cosmos is the EVMO coin, which is this week priced at 1.8 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $20.86. Week on week, we are down 9.5%. Overall, we are down 95.7%. Next is Injective's ING coin, which is this week priced at $22.52. Portfolio is now valued at $2,252.39. Week on week, we are up by 5.4%. Overall, we are up 139.3%. Osmosis is Osmo coin is up next. This week, it's priced at 46.5 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $469.22. And week on week, we are down slightly by 0.2%. Overall, we are down 5.9%. Persistence and the XPRT coin is up next. This week, it's priced at 13.9 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $144.42. Week on week, we are up 18.6%. Overall, we are still down 39.6%. Finally, for Cosmos, it's Axelar and the AXL coin, which is this week priced at 63.6 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $663.60. And week on week, we are up 5.6%. Overall, we are up 53.5%. So that means our Cosmos basket this week is valued at $3,550.49. We are up on last week by 5.1%, and overall we are up 62.2%. The mixed portfolio is up next, and in that basket we hold NEARProtocol, Pythnetwork, Beam, and Shrapnel. Kick us off then is NEARProtocol's NEAR token, which is this week priced at $5.19. Portfolio is now valued at $293.10. Week on week we are up 4.8%, and overall we are up 56.1%. Pythnetwork's Pyth token is up next. This week it's priced at 33.4 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $733.61, and week on week we are up slightly by 1%. Overall, we are now down 13.1%. Beam is up next. This week it's priced at 2.3 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $735.66. Week on week we are down slightly by 0.4%, but overall we are still up 33.9%. Finally, for the mixed portfolio, it's Shrapnel and the Shrap coin, which is this week priced at 1.9 cents, and that portfolio is now valued at $72.30. Week on week we are down 10.7%, and overall we are down 82.4%. So that means our mixed portfolio this week is valued at $1,834.67, and it's up slightly on last week by 0.5%. Overall, though, it's still down 4.5%. Finally, it's Avalaunch, where we hold positions in Avalaunch's native coin, AVAX, LFJ's Joe token, formerly Traderjoe, as well as Avalaunch's Ava token. To kick us off is the native coin, which is AVAX, and this week it's priced at $39.20. Portfolio is now valued at $2,049.02, and week on week we are up 7.4%. Overall, we are still up 180.9%. LFJ's Joe token is up next. This week it's priced at 37.7 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $450.96, and week on week we are up 7.5%, but overall we are down 8%. Finally, it's Avalaunch's Ava token, which is priced at 54.2 cents. Portfolio is now valued at $1,362.03. Week on week we are up 6.6%, and overall we are now up 181.5%, which means our Avalaunch basket this week is valued at $3,862.01, and it's up on last week by 7.2%. Overall, we are up 128.4%. So what this means then for our overall 15K to 600K portfolio challenge is that portfolio is now valued at $17,391.14, and it's up on last week by 6.5%. Overall, we are now up 51.5%. In terms of net gains, we are looking at $6,602.59, or 57.5%. So we are still in the green, even in the face of some melting drawbacks that the crypto markets suffered during the past week. But things seem to be looking up now. Let's see where this goes. The next few months are certainly going to be exciting, and we'll be sharing with you guys our plans going forward. Any thoughts about our portfolio and whatever you want to exchange with us, guys, we promise we will respond. Let us know in the comment section. And are you looking forward to what's about to come for the crypto market? context, let us know again in the comment section. Until the next one, guys, this is FD for Sage5.tv signing out for now. Bye.